As a kid, I was so creative. I used to be that kind of girl who would always be drawing. I loved drawing. But then I went to high school. I had to draw realistic faces, portraits, buildings, and I did not understand anything about perspective drawing. I was a teenager and I felt so insecure. Well, who doesn't feel insecure when you're 13 years old? I wrote in my diaries, many pages, about who I loved, who I hated. I doodled and scribbled. I cut out images of the handsome actors and rock stars that I loved. Now, now I'm a grown-up woman. I still write a lot. I love taking photos. I have an eye for things. I love to read. I love art. I love to learn new things. And I'm pretty successful at what I do. But secretly I still feel so insecure about the fact that I fear drawing. I fear creating. I've heard about art journaling. They say that anyone can do it. It's just a sketchbook with blank pages. They say that you can stick images in it that I like, that I can write and draw and play with art supplies. It sounds like something that I would love, but I hate to admit it. I'm just so afraid. I don't know where to begin. What if I fail? What will people think of me when I draw something and it looks too childish? What will people think of me if I admit that I don't know what acrylic paint is? And what brushes do I even use for acrylic paint? What if I ruin the brushes? And what if I ruin this perfect white page? Damn it. Okay, I'm going to do this. I purchased these colors of acrylic paint, and I have this plastic card here. In her free workshop at artjournalschool.com, Marieke Blokland of Bloknote.nl told me that I could do this. So I'm going to do this. Okay, a few drips of paint and an old plastic gift card. Yes, I did it! I did it! I'm art journaling!